Are you over 50 and noticing that no matter how much you exercise, your muscles don't grow the way they used to? You're not alone. After the age of 50, most people lose up to 1 to 2% of muscle mass every single year, a condition doctors call sarcopenia. And here's the shocking part. By the time you reach 60, you could lose nearly 30% of your muscle strength if you don't do something about it. But what if I told you there's one simple food, a nut you probably already know, that could help your muscles rebuild and recover like you were in your 40s again? Stick with me until the end of this video, because I'll reveal exactly which nut I'm talking about, why it works according to science, and how you can add it to your daily routine to fight muscle loss, stay strong, and feel younger again. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share science-backed health tips to help you live stronger, healthier, and longer, especially after 50. Today's topic is something we all face but rarely talk about: muscle loss with age. Many people think it's just part of getting older, but the truth is you can slow it down and even reverse it with the right nutrition and lifestyle changes. In this video, we'll cover 1. Why muscle loss happens after 50. 2. The surprising nut that research shows can help rebuild muscles. The exact nutrients inside this nut that support strength and recovery. Easy ways to add it into your meals without overdoing it. Plus, bonus tips to protect your muscles as you age. And don't worry, everything I share is simple, natural, and easy to understand. Why do we lose muscle? After 50, as we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein to repair and build muscle. Hormones like testosterone and growth hormone naturally decline. Many people also become less active, which speeds up muscle loss. And on top of that, poor diet choices, too much processed food, not enough protein or healthy fats, make it worse. This is why so many people over 50 feel weaker, have more joint pain, and find it harder to recover after exercise. The nut that helps rebuild muscle. So what's the nut we're talking about? Almonds. Yes, the simple almond isn't just a healthy snack, it's a muscle-building powerhouse, especially for people over 50. According to a study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, people who consumed almonds after exercise showed better muscle recovery, reduced inflammation, and improved strength compared to those who didn't. Why almonds work for muscle health? Let's break it down. 1. High-quality protein. Almonds contain plant-based protein that helps repair damaged muscle fibers. 1 ounce, about 23 almonds, gives you 6 grams of protein. Magnesium boost. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle contraction and recovery. Most adults over 50 don't get enough magnesium, which leads to cramps and weakness. Almonds are one of the richest natural sources of magnesium. Height. Vitamin E for recovery. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress in muscles. This means less soreness and faster healing after workouts. Healthy fats. The monounsaturated fats in almonds help reduce inflammation, keeping your joints and muscles healthier. Support for bone health. Strong muscles need strong bones. Almonds provide calcium and phosphorus, which support bone density. Together, these nutrients make almonds a perfect food to fight sarcopenia and keep you active well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Real-life example. Think about it. Imagine 2 people in their 50s. Both go for daily walks. One eats processed snacks like chips, while the other replaces those snacks with a handful of almonds. Who do you think will have stronger muscles, less pain, and more energy after a year? That's the power of small, consistent choices. How much to eat? About a handful, 1 ounce or 23 almonds per day is enough. More than that could add extra calories, so balance is key. Best time to eat. Almonds. Post-workout snack with a piece of fruit for quick recovery. mid-morning or afternoon, a snack to prevent energy crashes. Sprinkle over oatmeal salads or yogurt. Other tips to protect muscles over 50. 1. Strength training, even light weights or resistance bands 2 to 3 times a week. Your adequate protein. Include protein in every meal: eggs, fish, lean chicken, beans, or nuts. Short. Stay active. Walking, cycling, or swimming helps maintain muscle mass. Satakot. Hydration. Muscles need water to function properly, so drink enough fluids daily. So there you have it. If you're over 50 and worried about muscle loss, start adding almonds to your daily routine. It's a small habit that can make a big difference, helping you feel stronger, recover faster, and keep moving like you're in your 40s again. Remember, aging is natural, but weakness doesn't have to be. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you already eat almonds regularly, or is this something you'll start from today? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because every week we bring you simple science-based tips to stay healthy and strong after 50. See you in the next video.